Pick. Only 34,608 miles. This Chevrolet Equinox delivers a gas i4 2.4 145 engine powering this automatic transmission. Wipers, front variable speed, intermittent with washer, wiper, rear variable speed, intermittent with washer, windows, power with express down on all four doors. This Chevrolet Equinox comes equipped with these options: wheels, 17, 43.2 centimeters, aluminum, visors, driver and front passenger illuminated vanity mirrors, traction control, tires, P225/65R17 all season, blackwall, included and only available with RSV, 17, 43.2 centimeters, aluminum wheels, tire, compact spare with steel wheel, tire pressure monitor system, does not monitor spare, theft-deterrent system, anti-theft alarm and engine immobilizer, suspension, refined ride, suspension, rear independent multi-link with hydraulic rear trailing arm links and stabilizer bar, suspension, front independent MacPherson strut with stabilizer bar, optimally tuned shocks and hydraulic ride bushings and front control arms. See what the experts say. As reported by the manufacturer summary, the 2015 Equinox is Chevrolet's stylish and efficient sizzling compact crossover. The Equinox stretches the boundaries of the term compact as it is noticeably larger than its rivals. That size difference affords more room for passengers in the second row seat and a larger presence on the road. The 2015 Chevy Equinox is a comfortable and quiet ride and drives like a more expensive car. It has an edge in passenger comfort, especially in the rear, where the bench seat can move several inches fore and aft to create more legroom. Up front, driver and passenger benefit from generous-sized seats. The 2015 Equinox has a blend of soft curves at its edges to balance the vehicle's rectangular shape. A long hood further helps even out the Chevy's proportions. It all works to give the Equinox an athletic appearance. Other standout aesthetics include the signature 2-bar grille, floating fog light bezels and creased fender flares. The Equinox comes standard with a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder engine that makes an adequate 182 horsepower. You may also choose the impressive V6 that puts out 301 horsepower. Both engines are connected to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive, FWD, is standard with all-wheel drive as an option for both engines. The 4-cylinder model can tow a maximum of 1,500 pounds while the V6 can pull 3,500 pounds. If you want a small do-it-all SUV with plenty of passenger space, a comfortable ride and good fuel economy, consider the Chevy Equinox. Stop by today for a must-own Chevrolet Equinox. Come see us at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia D9T3L3. Just minutes away.